What is Aether Yoga? It's more than a studio. It's a sanctuary, a place where movement meets meaning, and breath becomes a bridge to inner peace. Here, yoga is for everyone, from toddlers to seasoned practitioners. Each class is crafted to support body, mind, and spirit. We believe luxury yoga should be accessible to all, because wellness is not a privilege, it's a right. Aether Yoga is a community, a breath, a moment of stillness in a busy world. Come move with us. Come heal with us. Come be part of something beautiful. Aether Yoga Studio, where strength meets stillness.